It starts with a strand of hair caught in a spinning shaft. In seconds, a life is gone. This wasn't rare until someone realized the solution was simpler than they thought. Tie the hair. World War II. Women became the backbone of production, but factories weren't designed for them. Open gears, rotating shafts, and one overlooked hazard: long, flowing, unprotected hair. A strand gets caught. Then, violent entanglement. The injuries were brutal. No warning. No second chance. As more women entered factories, the incidents increased. The machines always won. Supervisors noticed the pattern. The solution wasn't complex. It was a simple rule: tie it back, cover it, control it. What became iconic was actually a matter of survival. This taught us powerful lessons. Small hazards can be deadly. Control what you can. Training saves lives. These principles became standard, not just in manufacturing, but everywhere machinery moves. Bandana became a symbol of strength. But behind that image was a safety lesson learned the hard way. Because workplace safety isn't always about what we build, it's about what we prevent.